good result on the DAX today as well, so it's starting to just nicely come together. 97 is our stop, so our stop's at 95 there because it's 2 points below. That's our preferred stop on the strategy. Now if we break this level here, we're back into another, we're just adding a secondary kind of confirmation that we're still strong on the trend. So this level of resistance here will be a telling point if we can get back above, or above that at least, because that'll really add the second level of move to the trade. At the moment our stop's at 95. Oh, it's good, isn't it? Hopefully it's printing the same. Now, I'll spend the rest of the week just training everybody on the strategy optimizing and running these strategy reports, because that's great for getting a lot of the hard work done. So, good stuff, Karen. Excellent. So we'll definitely add that as part of our, as we go along. Now our stop is there at 112.09, so we're getting a great trade here on the trend, and if we can just get back above that 22 level, we'll be flying here. Still going. So the stop now is at just there at 18. Let's just double check that. No, stop is at 19. So our stop now is at 19. It's just snuck under that level of support, that resistance there, which is now support. So 19 is your stop. Our 32 is our high. So we'll see if we can hold here at 19. No, we're out. So trade out. There we go. So we're done on the trade and done on the session. So so 45 on the session, and that's it, we're done. Based on our stats, that's the best time of the day to trade, or best 3 hours. So that's it. Basically we just run the report now. If we run our report, you'll see that that'll load that trade up. That's that trade there. You can see the spike up. So we've had a couple of choppy sessions, but then that nice little run up. If we go to our trade list, it'll also register the trade on there as well. So this is a great thing about having this 450 there. Picked up the trade at 73. I had mine at 74, and out at 19 it went out at 18. So you might get a slight little bit of variation there. I've also loaded in the brokerage on this performance report. So what I'm going to do now is, just as part of the daily record for our as I've done with the DAX, you'll see the DAX is pretty much uploaded every day. I think there might have been one day where I missed it and did it the second day, but the DAX has been uploaded for the 4 strategies that are running for that. So if you have a look at this here, I'll just take you through this report. I'm just going to get rid of the, just let me stop that for a second, and I'll just show you this. Alright guys, so this is going to look familiar because this is the way we've set out the DAX the DAX data as well. So what you've got is you've got every day posted, and then we've got the actual report. So this strategy here is the strategy 2, which is the trend trader on a 55 tick from 8:35 to 9 o'clock. So I'll log all the trades in there. Now the idea with this is that we're running multiple strategies. So the trend trader might trade between 2 and 5, so we'll record those trades. We track the 55 tick between 8:30 and 9. We track the cycle trader. Oh, sorry, that's the break. No, that's just ignore that one because I haven't done that one yet. We track the cycle trader between 12 and 2. That's the one I was mentioning that tracks beautifully during the lunch hour. And then you've got the breakout strategy that runs between 18:02 and 2300. Now you'll see that all the I haven't done all the graphs, but you'll see that I'll do a combined one as well. If it's anything as the DAX goes, you'll see that by combining multiple systems, you get a smoother equity curve. So two things happen basically, which you'll see if you track this daily. You'll see that your drawdowns are less, so instead of trading, say, 2 contracts on one strategy or one market, you're better off trading 1 contract on one strategy and 1 on the other, so splitting them, or trading, say, 3 contracts, one on over 3 different strategies, because what that does is that it improves your net profit to drawdown. So it means your potential losing days are less, and you'll see that as you go through the results once we upload this to the website. If you go through, you'll see that pretty much your worst losing day, I think, was at 768, and most of the days are around about, say, that's probably about the biggest losing day, and you can see the equity in the running 3 different strategies over that period is fairly substantial without any position sizing. So there's no money management associated with this this basic strategy, but obviously as we go through the V2, we'll be adding that as well, because that's where you really get the power of that growth in your account. So the automation helps, takes a lot of the work out of it for you, but you've still got to watch the trades, obviously, as we did tonight. So traders, that's it for me. It's only an hour session, and we'll be doing the same thing tomorrow night. If you want to get a copy of the trade plan for the other sessions, I'll be putting those together as well. So the other sessions are 12 o'clock till 12 till 2, and that's a cycle trader, and there's a breakout strategy on a 144 tick between 1802 and 2359, and then you've got the Euro session, which is nice and easy, 89 tick. And actually the 89 tick is fairly slow during the Euro session, doesn't move anywhere near as quick as the 55, so it's quite good. Any questions? Okay, excellent. Alright, well, we're done for tonight. We're finished, so it'll be an hour every night, and don't forget, for the mentoring students, we've got an hour before this session at 8 p.m. Same bat time, that's it, exactly the same. So we'll be trading from 8:35 till 9. We'll be coming in at 8 o'clock to do our training, so we'll do a good 30 minutes of training, and then we'll start our session. So thanks for your time, everybody. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. Otherwise, although I've got a pretty full week this week, so I might not get back to you until later in the day or the next day. So if it's urgent, just put an urgent tag on it, and I'll jump on it straight away. But other than that, Have a great week, or sorry, a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers.